In a significant stride towards a sustainable future, 7 countries have achieved a remarkable feat by generating nearly all of their electricity from renewable energy sources. Albania, Bhutan, Nepal, Paraguay, Iceland, Ethiopia, and the Democratic Republic of Congo now produce over 99.7% of their electricity through geothermal, hydro, solar, or wind power, according to recent data compiled by the International Energy Agency and the International Renewable Energy Agency. This achievement underscores a global trend towards decarbonization and renewable energy adoption. Moreover, an additional 40 countries have made considerable progress, with at least 50% of their electricity coming from renewable sources in 2021 and 2022, including 11 European nations. "We don't need miracle technologies," emphasizes Stanford University professor Mark Jacobson, who conducted the analysis. "We need to stop emissions by electrifying everything and providing the electricity with wind, water, and solar, which includes onshore wind, solar photovoltaics, concentrated solar power, geothermal electricity, small hydroelectricity, and large hydroelectricity." Professor Jacobson's assertion aligns with growing consensus among energy experts that transitioning to renewable sources is not only feasible but imperative for combating climate change. Notably, Germany and the United Kingdom have demonstrated significant strides in renewable energy adoption. The UK, for instance, increased its renewable electricity generation by 10.5%, reaching 41.5%, according to IEA data. In Scotland, renewable energy sources produced an astonishing 113% of the country's electricity needs, primarily driven by wind power. Claire Mack, chief executive of Scottish Renewables, hailed this achievement as a major milestone in Scotland's journey towards achieving net zero emissions. While wind power has been dominant in Scotland, experts predict that solar energy will play an increasingly pivotal role in global energy systems in the coming years. Technological advancements and plummeting costs have propelled solar energy to what researchers describe as an irreversible tipping point. Researchers from the University of Exeter and University College London published a groundbreaking study in 2023, positing that solar energy's trajectory towards dominance is unstoppable. Their findings, published in Nature Communications, assert that solar energy's economic viability and widespread availability make it an inevitable cornerstone of future energy landscapes. Due to technological trajectories set in motion by past policy, a global irreversible solar tipping point may have passed where solar energy gradually comes to dominate global electricity markets without any further climate policies, the researchers wrote. The study underscores the transformative potential of solar energy and highlights the pivotal role of sustained investment and policy support in accelerating the transition to a clean energy future. As the world grapples with the urgent imperative of addressing climate change, the achievements of these countries serve as beacons of hope, illustrating the tangible progress towards a sustainable and renewable energy-driven future. However, concerted global efforts and strategic policymaking will be essential to scale up renewable energy deployment and mitigate the adverse impacts of climate change effectively.